No. The first thing is, how does a volcano become? In the earth, there is a big hot thing called core, earth core. In that is magma, very hot. But that need to go for a walk as well, like we need to. So he needs to go out for a walk, and he builds up the pressure and it becomes a volcano. But he goes a very dangerous walk. He wants to eat everything. He is very angry. And the volcano explodes! Second, lava. Dun, dun, dun. The lava. Did you know the lava is really hot? If you touch the lava, you will plunge. So yeah, if you touch it, then you will plunge. Did you know that the lava, first, it's really, really hot, but when it comes out, then it will be rocks, hard rocks, really hard rocks. So I don't want you to touch lava because Mr. Whitfeld and Mr. Sickett will be worried. So don't do that. So yeah, so the lava is like burning, like. So here is lava. Oh my goodness! Ah! Number 3. No. Good